Hello friends, this is the part 3 about the connectivity, how to remember the whole chapter. Okay, how to remember. So we'll see how to use take the help of uh, mind maps. Okay, this is called mind maps or flow charts. There are different terms are there. How to use those we'll learn. Okay, so I'll explain the one chapter so you can understand it very easily. Okay. So the chapter name is Garbage In, Garbage Out. This is from 6th class chapter. See how I got the flow out of it. Okay, I didn't by heart it. I just read the chapter 11 times. Okay, see like no, it's I'm writing it from my memory. You can really see and enjoy. See what they discussed about is food and then paper, then plastics. These are the three things they have discussed. Okay, what is garbage? Garbage is something useless or unwanted thing. Okay, here first they discuss the what is the problem with the garbage, and they also discussed how to solve it, solutions given. Okay, these solutions also, like they gave two ways possible to solve this problem, and how you and me we should solve this problem. Yeah, I'll just explain what are the problems if we have so much garbage. See what is the problem with the plastic. Plastic, what happens if you few plastics, if you consume it, you will get cancer. And so many cows and birds, they are dying because birds, when we throw the food with the plastic bags outside, birds are thinking it is also food and it is consuming, they are dying. Cows, you might have seen in so many TV channels that cows are eating the this polythene covers and they are also dying. Okay, so major thing is it is the plastic. And again thing is papers. See papers, simply some children they throw it, or we already wrote on the paper. See, for example, I am writing on this paper, we simply throw it instead of reusing it. This paper came from plants, so this is also getting consumed in the world. So these problems, how to solve these problems? See, for example, they gave another example, like from one house, if you are getting like 10 kg of like garbage per a day, let us assume like this, or 5 kgs you take, then imagine if in your city if there are 10,000 houses, then how much they'll get. And in your district, in your state, how much garbage they have to maintain. So it is very difficult. So everyone should participate. How government is helping and how we supposed to behave, that's what they taught. How the government is helping. So they are doing one green bucket they are giving, green dustbin, and another is blue dustbin they are giving. So what we have to do in this, see in the green we have to throw the food. Again in this blue one we have to throw the paper and plastic and other things, cloths, etc. we have to throw. Then they will go and dump in a low level place, that is called landfill. Okay, no. So this landfill, this what they do, once it get labeled and they are making it as a park or playground. They don't construct anything on this till 20 years. This whatever they fill, this plastic and paper, all those things, they cover this layer with the soil, they cover it up and they make a park and playground. See, we have already seen how government is taking responsibility and government cannot do anything, and actually we are creating the garbage. So how we can solve this? See here also food comes here and paper here and again plastic here. Three things are only there. Okay, so how we can handle the food? It is by very simple thing, by composting it. there's a vermicomposting is there, one type of composting. In that is the red worms. With the help of red worms, okay, we'll compost the this food peels, banana peels and all the vegetable peels, that will be converted into natural fertilizer. What you can do with that natural fertilizer, you can take it and put to your favorite plants, so they'll grow very fast, and so many nutrients will be there in that. This is the best way to decompose the food waste. But you cannot put oil foods, oil related fries and all, we should not put that will grow the bacteria or virus. So next is paper. So it's already written. So what is the best way to use the paper is recycle and then reuse. You might have seen some rough notes that will be a little dark color, dull color. So all those things are recycled. So we better prefer to use the recycled one. So that's why we can handle the paper related things. Or you can make some gifts with the cardboards. One of my relatives, she did one photo frame with that, waste paper. So you have to see how you can use it. The next thing is plastic, which is the most dangerous thing. Okay, here it is. We have to triple R. Okay, one is, can we recycle the plastic? Yes, few of them we can recycle, but not all. All of them we cannot recycle it. Okay, so that's why we have to follow the government instruction what to use and what not to use. And another thing is, if you can recycle, we have to recycle. Next is reuse. So you try to reuse the plastic things. For example, refilling pens. So you can use the pens which can be refill it later. So that way we can reduce the use of too much unnecessary plastic. Next, another thing is reduce or reject it. For example, you go to a shop, don't take the polythene covers there. You ask them for the, either you take the cloth bag or you ask them for the paper bag. So that's why you have to take the page. Yeah, friends, you have seen see how to memorize it. It is very very easy. First write the central note. What we have done is food, paper and then plastic. What is the problem with that, right? And then what is the solution? We got it the two solutions. One is the how government took responsibility, and how we supposed to take the responsibility. So this much is, these are all the main point. These are called the main points. Okay, main nodals also we say. Then the next one is, what are the problems we have, we wrote correct. Here again the problems are with food and paper, again plastic. Correct. Paper we unnecessarily throwing it instead of recycling it. Again the plastic we have seen, even humans are dying with the cancer, and also cows and birds, all other things are dying. And next is how government it took responsibilities. Usually government or municipality, they are giving two kinds of dustbins. Then we have to segregate our home. Then they are going and dumping it landfill, low areas. And then later after filling it, they are covering with soil and they are making it park or playgrounds. And then how we have to take responsibility, because it is starting from our home. We have to think and throw. We cannot throw however we want. Here also same, food, paper and plastic. So this point is repeating everywhere. Problem also we have food, paper and plastic. Government also, see in this we have to put only food in the green dustbin. Here paper or plastic we can put. And same here also, we have the three things. Food we have to compost it, vermicompost or any other method. Then paper recycle and reuse, and plastics recycle, reuse and reduce. So triple R it is. See how fast you can revise the whole thing. See here the conclusion, main conclusion is, the problem is not the plastic usage or anything, but the problem is we should know how to decompose the thing, or how to decompose we should know. This is the main conclusion of the chapter. And they suggested, teachers fantastically they suggested, you spread this awareness to others. You have to spread this awareness to others. So what happens, others means your relatives, friends and everyone, so that they don't do these kinds of mistakes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, friends, thanks for watching till now. Yeah, keep watching. This is the last one. So yeah, this is how I made. This is a chapter name I wrote, and this is how I made. After reading 11 times, I made this. So this is how my mind showed it, and I wrote this, and I revised this 4 5 times, and I explained to others. So